Grabe ka, Giannis. Iniwan ng depensa ni Boyd sa ilalim para sa open monster dunk. Yo mga idolo, welcome back sa ating channel. Grabe, bagong laban na naman sa NBA. This time, ang bakbakan ay sa pagitan ng Toronto Raptors at Milwaukee Bucks. Matinding matchup to mga idolo dahil parehong gustong ipakita na contender sila sa East. Solid performance mula sa batang leader ng Raptors, Scottie Barnes, habang nagpakita rin ng malasakit si RJ Barrett at Immanuel Quickley. Pero syempre, hindi rin nagpahuli si Giannis Antetokounmpo. Nagbigay ng highlight slam at Eurostep na parang cheat code. So tara, himay-himayin na natin quarter by quarter kung paano nakuha ng Raptors ang panalo kontra sa powerhouse Bucks. Pag-umpisa pa lang ng laro, ramdam mo na agad yung intensity. Giannis attacking early, Eurostep, spin move, dunk. Pero sagad agad ng Raptors, Scottie Barnes, step back jumper. Boom! Si RJ Barrett din, mainit ang simula. 2 quick drives to the basket. At sa depensa, ang Raptors gumamit ng zone scheme para pigilan si Giannis at Ryan Rollins sa pick and roll. Ang ganda ng rotation nila. Tulong-tulong talaga. By the end of the first quarter, lamang ng 10 ang Raptors, 39-29. Balance open sa magkabilang panig. Pero kita mo yung hunger ng Raptors na magpatunay sa home crowd nila. Kumbaga, wala nagpapatalo, parang chess game, bawat move may sagot. Pagpasok ng second quarter, dito na nag-iba ang ihip ng hangin. Biglang lumakas ang Raptors bench. Si Immanuel Quickley pumutok, 3 sunod na points. Crowd goes wild sa Scotiabank Arena. Grabe, parang automatic yung bitaw ni Quickley. Habang si Rollins naman, nagpakita ng playmaking skills. Gandang pasa sa cutting na si Giannis sa gitna. Giannis tried to carry the Bucks offense, pero hirap siya sa double team ni Barnes at Jacob Poeltl. Halftime score, Raptors 73, Bucks 54. Scottie Barnes with 14 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists. Giannis leading the Bucks with 13 points, pero wala pang pansyadong tulong galing sa teammate. Paglabas ng halftime, alam mong gigil ang Bucks. Giannis nagpakawala ng power dunks. Rollins with a deep layup. Pero teka lang, Raptors is still in control. Scottie Barnes kept attacking. Na isa pang highlight, gandang pasa sa ilalim kay Sandro. The crowd erupts. Grabe, parang sinasabing future ng franchise ako. Scottie Barnes is him. Raptors open sobrang solid. Scottie Barnes gandang shimmy kontra kay Giannis. Basket. Ang energy ng home crowd parang dagdag player. End of the third quarter, Raptor 104, Bucks 80. 24-point lead pero kita mo, focus pa rin ang Raptors. Walang kumpiyansa. Fourth quarter na, crunch time mga idolo. Bucks trying to come back. Portis Jr. kicks out to Rollins for 3. Bang! Pero sagot agad ni Barnes. Layup in traffic. Pasok. Grady Dick then nails another 3 from the corner. Pero Raptors are locked in. Si Battle with the layup over Jackson Jr. Swish! And just like that, the Raptors extend the lead to 31. Last 2 minutes, the Bucks tried to press, pero Raptors ball movement was just too smooth. Final buzzer, Toronto Raptors win 128-100. The crowd is electric. Let's look at the final stats. Scottie Barnes may 23 points, 3 rebounds, 6 assists, all-around game. RJ Barrett, 23 points, 8 rebounds. Immanuel Quickley may 15 points at 7 assists. For the Bucks naman, Giannis may 22 points, 11 rebounds. Gary Trent Jr. naman may 6 points off the bench. At Ryan Rollins may 11 points. Napaka-solid na teamwork ng Raptors ngayon. Hindi lang one-man show, lahat may ambag. At ang depensa nila kay Giannis sobrang disiplina. Help defense, close out, lahat maayos. Sa side naman ng Bucks, medyo off-night ang bench at perimeter shooting nila. Pero knowing this team, siguradong babawi sa next game. So ayun mga idolo, Raptors showing they're a serious Eastern team this season. If they keep this chemistry, possible playoff contender to. Kung gusto nyo pa ng ganitong NBA recaps, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below, Team Raptors ka ba o Team Bucks? Once again, this is your Spotlight and Sports. Maraming salamat mga ka-sports.